Namaste to everyone. I have just attained my 200 hours teacher's training course certificate from Vinyasa Yogashala in Rishikesh, India. And I have to say that the experience has been incredible in so many ways. Firstly, I would like to start with the teaching staff and the management and Mr. Ashish and Mrs. Tanushriji. They've been very, very supportive, and they've been like a family. And the environment here is very much family, it's homely, and I think anybody wanting to do a teacher's training course in yoga would find it very useful and they would feel very much at home to be here at Vinyasa Yogashala. And everybody is super nice. The energies that we exchange, it's amazing. And to be a part of this has been an incredible experience for me at a personal level, and I feel like I've learned so many things. The teachers are impeccable, they have impeccable knowledge. Subjects like anatomy, philosophy, yoga alignment, adjustment, mantra and pranayama, and many other subjects. Somebody looking to really know what yoga is, I think this is the origin. I think you should definitely come to Vinyasa Yogashala Rishikesh and experience the teaching quality and the quality of the teachers and the knowledge, the immense knowledge that they hold. I think it's incomparable. And even though this is my first time doing a yoga teacher's training course, I think I would come back here again if I were to do another one. So I highly recommend Vinyasa Yogashala. The environment is amazing. You have mountains around you, and the people really make the most difference, I would say, and everybody is very kind and treat you just as family. So I say that again because that's been very important to me. And those looking for real learning and knowledge, I think you will find what you seek, because the teaching as well is so in alignment with each other. If you learn a certain topic in one subject, you will hear about similar topics, concepts in another subject, and they really try to harmonize and find an alignment between these subjects and to see how you can apply your learning into your own personal life. It's not just about coming here, learning and going back, but it's also about really absorbing the experiences and the learning in your life through the amazing teachers that we have, and being able to apply that into your own personal life when you're out of here. That is true learning and knowledge. And I wish that for everyone who comes here to do their teacher's training course. And namaste, and wish you all the best. Thank you.